Hi and welcome to more exciting work on gradients. This is going to be a lot of fun. Today is actually quite a quick one. We're going to be looking for gradients and y-intercepts based on equations. Now here's the formula that we first learned back in year 9. Y equals mx plus b, and we know from this formula that the letter in front of the x, which we call m, represents the gradient, and the number that doesn't have x with it, a bit on the end there, is called the y-intercept. So we have covered that one before. One that we haven't seen a lot of before is the next one, which is the general form. Now the general form just means that we get everything on one side of the equal sign so that it says equals 0, and we put the x part first, the y part second, and the number part last. A, B and C are just numbers, they're constants, and you can rearrange the general form of a line into gradient y-intercept form by making it say y equals and reading off the slope and y-intercept, or you can just learn that the gradient equals minus A over B. There we have it. So they're your basic formulas that we need to use for this next exercise. Let's try some examples. The first one. So first thing we want to do is find the gradient and y-intercept of the line y equals 5x take 11. So we look at the line and we say, what is the number in front of the x? Well, it's the number 5. So the gradient equals 5. What's the constant term on the end? Well, it's not 11, it's actually minus 11, which means the y-intercept, or b, is equal to minus 11. And there's our answer. Let's try the second one. This one is given to us in general form. 2x plus 5y minus 10 equals 0. And it says to find the gradient. Well, we could just learn the formula m equals minus a over b, where a is the number in front of x, so it's minus 2 over b is the number in front of y, minus 2 over 5, and there's our gradient. Gradient is equal to minus 2/5. We could also have done that same question slightly differently. We could have done it like this. We could have said, let's rearrange that. So let's minus 2x and plus 10 to both sides of our equation, which leaves me with 5y equals minus 2x plus 10, and now we divide everything by 5, which means y equals minus 2 over 5x plus 10 over 5 is 2. Therefore, m equals minus 2 over 5. You probably agree that it's a lot quicker to actually just go m equals minus a over b. Our last example is find the gradient of 3x take y equals 4. Now this is not in general form, it's not in gradient y-intercept form, so you need to either arrange it into general form or gradient y-intercept form. I'm going to go into gradient y-intercept form. I think might be the quickest for this one. So let's have a look at it, and we might go, let's plus y to both sides, which gives me 3x equals 4 plus y. Now I'm going to minus 4 to both sides, which gives me 3x minus 4 equals y. When I look at that, that's the same as y equals 3x minus 4, and m is the number in front of x, which means m equals 3. The gradient, or the slope, is equal to 3. That's it. Now it's time for you to try doing some questions. Excitement is here. Get cracking.